So guys, Mami Sir, kaya nga sa one highlight destination here in Coron.
Yeah.
Okay? But it's advisable. For example, if you have a heart problem, like asthma, knees problem, yes. Ma'am, dito muna kayo, ma'am. And if you want to swim inside, and if you want to go inside, make sure bring your life jacket, and bring your mask snorkel, and bring your flip-flops, and bring your cell phone, and bring your money, because if you feel hungry, if you want to buy anything, we have a floating 7-Eleven store here.
Yeah. So we are here in Tuen Lagoon, Coron, Palawan. Palawan. Ang ganda dito sa Palawan. Tuen Lagoon. Sobrang ganda. Wow. Yeah. This last one is so amazing. Tuen Lagoon. Thank you, Lord. You're such amazing. Hala, very nice rock. Oh, look at that. Wow. Wow, grabe. You're very high. Oh, how amazing. Wow. Hi. Welcome everybody. Grabe, ang ganda. It's so crystal, right? Ang galing nila magkayak, oh. Wow, grabe, oh. Mahal, so crystal, right? Rock formation, so amazing. Guys, look at that, guys. Yung mga rock formation. Very nice, the rock formation. And the water is really clear. Oh, tingnan nyo, guys. Punta na kayo dito sa Coron. Coron is beautiful place. Wow! Crystal, so crystal. Andun sila, guys. Nagkayak din sila. Super nice. Ganda, oh. I make video with this book. Yeah. Huh? Kaya? Hi! Classmate! Classmate in boat! The most nice and interesting, right? Ura? And then good thing is not rainy already, right? No more rain. No rain, I mean. our classmate. Hi! Yeah, very nice. Yeah, they're also. Love them. They are late. Hi, Sissy! Hi! Oo! They're only going. Yeah, this one also are. Hi! Dami, we have plenty classmates. Huh? It's balance. What? Ano yan? Be, ano yan doon? Ano dyan? A floating house. So, may nakatira ba dyan? For renting? Or personal yan? Personal. Buti pinayagan. Pinayagan sila na mag-ano dyan? Ganun ba? Floating house yan, guys. Yan. Kung andito ka nakatira everyday, iwan ko. Kung masaya bang buhay mo. This is good only for one day, mahal na. But if you're living here, I don't know. How's your life? Very lonely. Yeah. Guys, the trees are growing there. Very nice. Oh, the water is so crystal. We have no water like this in Deutschland, in Germany. Only in the Philippines. There's a small house, maybe a fisherman. Hello, very crystal. Oh, harbor master. Hala, mahal. So crystal. Oh, guys, look at that, guys. So crystal. My classmate! Enjoy! Wow, 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 wow. Wow, wow, wow. Hala, oh, look at that, guys. Amazing. Grabe. Thank you, Lord Jesus. Your craft lang? Wow. Wala, oh, crystal. Very crystal. Look what I did. Oh, did you see that? See that? Nice, huh? Wow. Merrily, 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 life is bright. Lagoon. Look at that. Amazing. Lang. Are you enjoying it? Lang. What is that lang? Grabe, oh. Row, 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 row your boat down the stream. Merrily, merrily, merrily. Ano, oh? Nandito kayo, guys. Grabe. Mapapa-amaze talaga kayo. Hala, hala, hala. Magdahil. Pagbalik natin hindi na natin siya makilala. Oh, very nice. It's really clear. The water is really clear. Ang ganda dito sa Coron. Punta kayo, guys, mga sisi. I-contact nyo si Christian. Christian, ibigay mo yung messenger mo sa akin. Wow. Video lang, that one. I will share this to you later. I will, because you know how na, ora? Nice, na? Wow, amazing, oh. Good one. Touch, one touch. Amazing grace, so beautiful. Said there, do not anchor on the reef. Penalties by TFCI. So we will not anchor there. Wow, look at that. This is paradise. Coron.